Begin by connecting your Xumo Stream Box to your TV using an HDMI cable and plugging it into a power outlet. After pairing, sign in with a free Xumo account or link your existing cable provider for access to more content. The Xumo interface will guide you through a channel scan, automatically loading free live streams. For the best experience, ensure your Xumo Stream Box is running the latest firmware. Navigate to Settings to check for updates, which improve performance and stability. To minimize buffering, especially with weaker internet connections, try closing unused apps running in the background. If ad interruptions bother you, consider exploring options to reduce them, though Xumo is primarily ad-supported. If you have performance issues, make sure you are not exceeding your internet bandwidth limits by doing a speed test. If your connection is stable and the device is still buffering, contact Xumo for assistance.